Yes, my family, good morning and give thanks to another great rise. I have to give thanks to another beautiful day like this, Yeah, man, sun is out. Weather start to get warm, Spring is upon us. Yeah, man, happy Easter to everybody. Yeah, don't know it go already. It's Lent, so you know what I go on. Fish, yeah, man. So, yeah, as you can see, we have the truck load up. Yeah, man. Today is going to be the inaugural launch of the Chronicles, the SS Chronicles. Yeah, man. I put it on the water today. First time, So, hopefully we catch some fish today, You know what them say? When you go fishing, you're going to catch something, Fish are attitude or a buzz. Well, me not drink today, so maybe later in time I come home, but hopefully we catch some fish. So, yeah, man, stay with me on the journey, We're head after the lake, see what I go on out there, alright? So we'll check in shortly. Yes, family, we are out on the water. Good exercise, this, See if we can find some good structure. Get some of them nice fish here, Yeah. Alright, I'll try this little location first. So let me sneak over there. I don't want to get them too much knife. Alright, hook up my fish finder here. Let's see what we got going on. Can't see the box of my fish. If you turn it around. Alright, there we go. Hopefully I have some power. Alright, fish finder is on. So let's see. Alright. Don't worry about that right now. Let's get to fishing. Let's get to fishing. Alright. I'm gonna bait up the hook them. Drop them in the water. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get some. We're gonna start out with some minnows. Yeah, man. Drop some minnow in the water and see if anything will bite out there. I mean, you're frisky. One you're dead. So that one wasn't so frisky, I am dead. Alright. Or half dead, should I say. See if to get any bites. Alright, got minnows. Next one, I'm gonna try some worms. Not that easy to maneuver on this thing, but as I said, first time bringing it out, so I have to learn. Alright, which one am I lining them up? This is my worm hook. I should fish for trout, because they have trout in here too, you know. But I'm gonna try a small hook. I'll see what I catch. I'm not afraid of worm, right? Tell you one thing, this is relaxing. Alright, pool number 2 in the water. Alright, so this one, I'm gonna put on some what you call it, bait on it. Some cut bait. This one's going to the bottom. So we can find out there. Yeah, I found this rig. This is the rig my when I go fishing the last time my captain used. Yeah. So see, it have the sinker. Yeah, sinker, and then it have a floater. So basically it sits on the bottom, but the float keep the bait suspended. Yeah. So I'm gonna try something different today. Alright, so that's 3 pole in the water. So yeah, man, see how it go. So, okay. Looks like something did touch it already, or maybe just a drift. Pull in the water, and we can use up a lure in the meantime. It's just I do a little bit of everything, you know. A little bit of everything. I try all angles. See what we can catch. Don't know if the water murky. Right now my GPS disconnected, so we just have fish without it. Don't have no time for. I try to figure it out right now. As what I say, everything work. Everything work when you test it out. But you know it already. Call it Murphy's Law. You know? If something can go wrong, it will go wrong. So I'm gonna make sure I have on my live vest, just in case. I know a lot of people go fishing on them now. Them have the life vest, but them not wear it while they're on the boat. which is fine. But in a moment of panic, you really don't know. If you don't know which part of your equipment then there, you will have problems. Which is why it's good to make sure you do pre-checks before you go. Not just fishing, but any kind of trip you go up on or anything else like that, you know. Just make sure so you have all your equipment. And double check and triple check, you know. Come on. I feel like I need to go a little bit closer to the shore where it is not as breezy. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Find a nice little spot where it's not out in the open, you know, and fish out there. So let me say, so I test out the waters literally right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna find a spot where I'm not drift. Alright, I go up on the other side of the lake. See, I get me look at exercising, right? Yes, no man. Go right under the structure. Should be a nice little spot. Bird over here too. See crappie like structures like this, crappie and bass, but then can ambush bait, you know. Yeah, let's say what about turtle then? Turtle in there, yeah. Couple turtles. Alright, let's try this location. See if we get a bite. Either that or the turtle I go keep my bait. So let's see. Yes, family, they are trying another spot, you know. Don't get a bite yet. Mostly I fight with the wind all day. Out there windy. You know, push me all over the place, you know. So as you can see, I have to balance myself at the same time. Yeah. Trying to stay one place. So the one thing I learned so far, fishing from a kayak, it's not as easy as it looks. Especially on a windy day. You know, you definitely need to have an anchor with you, because if not, you'll be blowing all over the place like I am right now. So as you can see, yeah, try to find one nice little spot where it's not windy, but what I'm gonna tell you, see there, as soon as I start talk, wind catch me again, and you see me I drift right now the banking. Let's try to keep myself from running into the banking, because the wind so higher times. Yeah, I feel back out. And I can't find that one spot on the location here where I almost lose my pole. Stand by. Alright, two duck over here, sir. War. I think I join. Okay. War, them a war. Must encroach on the territory. And never mad or she mad. Hopefully they not try to attack me. Stay away from over there, so. Nah, get no bite my people. Go back in for the war. Look how serious. Yeah, family. Just I go and drift down the lake. Yeah. Throw some reel out, you know? Throw some bait out, see what I go on. I realize I better me not fight it. As I venture the tropics, so I said, don't fight it. You know? Just go with the flow, you know? I don't see anybody having any luck today. I feel like maybe because the weather just a change, you know, just really start warm up. The fish them not active and not really fully active yet. Even me get a one random one way. Just see free food and go after it, you know. But right now, yeah man, just an easy drift. Full of vibes, you know. One thing missing now is a nice cold beer. We have cold water still, you know. So good to go. So me say first look at test of the kayak here, you know. Very taking get some used to, and then definitely I go tweak some things. I'm gonna go back home, you know. Make sure say I get them right. Yeah. So what me say, you always have to test your equipment. So each time you go out, you know exactly how it operates, what you need and what you don't need. You see me? In the meantime, I practice my casting. Alright? So if I hook into a fish, we definitely see it. Alright? I'm going to stay true. Yes, family. Yeah. Take a little break, you know. Because as you can see, yeah man, it's very windy today. Very windy. So nothing now bite, you know. But it was a good first test, that's what I say. I know I need to do. Fix certain things on it. Yeah man. So we'll come out again. Maybe Saturday or Sunday, depending on how the weather stay, you know. And come test a different lake. Or maybe come back out there still. We'll see. We'll see how the weather look. Right now it's too windy today. So nothing really going on. Alright, so stay tuned.